Right outside your door lurks a world teeming with creatures that may not be thrilled about your presence. When paths cross, they're quick to remind you where you stand. Today's reminder: encounters with wild animals can swing between pleasant surprises and heart-pounding nightmares. Let's begin. The snake missed the target. I don't know how he handled the snake, but now someone's got to suck the venom out. I hope he is not alone. Remember, if you are not a snake handler, then you risk a bite. You risk a bite every single time you handle any species of snake. He is lucky enough. Hand-feeding crocodiles in their natural habitat is extremely dangerous for several reasons. They can become aggressive and unpredictable when they perceive food. Imagine if someone fell there in complete darkness. Take a look at these nasty cinder worms. They were moving so fast and slimy, it was wild. Looked like they were straight out of a horror movie or something. Nobody wants to encounter this beast at night. The way snakes can get into a toilet is through an opening in the sewer. Sewers can be a hiding ground for mice and rats. Snakes will enter the sewer to get their next meal. Did you know that this is a species of snake that breaks through the first two layers of skin under your foot to crawl into your body and eat the marrow out of your bones? The amphisbaena, however, is a snake with two heads, one at the top and one in the direction of the tail. In the blink of an eye, the octopus adopts a spherical shape and changes its skin pattern to mimic nearby benthic objects such as small rocks. This screen capture from dashcam footage of a light truck shows a brown bear in Hokkaido, Japan. The driver accelerated and tried to outrun it, but the bear persistently chased the car. Tigers, as apex predators, are territorial and can perceive humans as threats, especially when they feel cornered or provoked. Now he has learned a valuable lesson. Never hold a shark, and he will surely never attempt that again.
Oh, oh, oh.
Timber wolf is sighted on the road running. The maximum speed of a timber wolf is around 37 to 38 miles per hour.
Oh shit, Rudolph? What you doing here, buddy? Santa fire you? Hey.
Snow leopard. A light takes snow leopard from vicious to adorable. This fella never wants to come back again. I guarantee the crocodile has never seen a fish doing that before.
He's sitting. Ow. Get outside.
A woman on a paddleboard panics after being surrounded by orcas. Thankfully, she made it to the shore safely.
Oh my god. It's okay. Hi. I'm just saying hi. Oh my god. It's okay. It's okay. It's alright. It's okay.
Anning işini yapıyorum, 45 inip dur. Zertte batırımını, zertte üşülürümünü. Ana. Hadi.
Knowing what to do and then being calm enough to do it, so crucial in this situation. The adrenaline had to be pumping. This woman did a great job before this majestic monster.
You're good. You're okay. You're okay. You're okay. You're okay. You're okay. You're okay. Please don't come here. Thank you. Please go. Please go. Please, no. No, please. Please don't go this way. Oh, fucking thank God. Holy shit. Oh my God.
The bear strolls up casually. This woman is the blueprint here. Just come in. Listen to your wife and you might survive.
Oh, back order. Estimated to ship August 13th.
Oh my god!
What?
Look next to you.
What happened?
Look, come on. Just come in. Come in. Look who's right there.
Oh, jeez.
moray eels can be dangerous. While they are generally not aggressive towards humans, they can deliver painful bites if provoked or threatened. Good job on the woman's part. No screaming or panicking. It helped keep the woman calm. Before entering the ocean, know that there won't be any driftwood floating. It is a giant saltwater crocodile. After a successful hunt, the anaconda floated in the water, its belly swollen with its recent meal. The way he opens the door, he's definitely been there before. That little girl stands right there and watches. She's too close. That's dangerous. You should never get close to these animals as they chase humans if they are provoked.
हाँ बे तू सॉर मैं ना
Thank you all for joining us on this wild journey across our planet. If you're feeling a chill down your spine, don't fret. That was the thrill we aimed for. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Until next time.